Hello and welcome to Reputation.com. With the recent launch of Guest Survey with Reputation.com, I'd like to take the opportunity to take you on a deep dive of the key features available and tell you how to access key information such as your NPS score and food quality score. Please note that you can access the survey results by logging into the Reputation.com dashboard using your existing username and password. Once signed into the dashboard, you will see the Surveys 3.0 module in the top line headers. Please click this header. This will then take you through to the guest survey tile. This tile shows you your all-time NPS score, as well as the total volume of completed surveys to date. To take a deep dive into the results, click on the results icon in the bottom left-hand corner. So depending on your user access, you may see different top-line filters at the top of the page. If you have access to more than one location, you'll have the ability to select the location results that you want to view, or select to see the results for one specific location by selecting within the filter. If you have an Innkeepers Lodge associated with your location, you have the ability to include or exclude the Innkeepers Lodge specific survey results in this top-line filter. To exclude, simply select N in the filter selection, click out of the box, and the results will repopulate, now excluding the Innkeepers Lodge data. The default date range is set to financial and current period. However, you can change this to review any date range within the financial standard calendar options available to you. You also have the option to select a custom date range. So the summary tab gives you an overview of the results of the most important survey questions. Important to note at this stage is that these results also contain the previous year's Guest Voice survey results. Please also note that the question numbers do not run in sequence, as we have removed the results of some questions that are not relevant to you. So let's work through the results. The overall NPS by time chart will show you your NPS result based on the pre-selected date range in the top line filters. By hovering over the chart, it will show you the total number of surveys, the NPS score for the day, as well as a breakdown of the positive, neutral and negative sentiment survey results. If you have access to more than one location, you have the ability to select the NPS by location button to the right side of the chart. This will then give you a breakdown by location of NPS score. Scrolling down, you will also see that question 10 also gives you visibility of your NPS score with a more detailed breakdown of the volume of results based on the 0 to 10 scale. If you scroll down the results in the summary tab, you will see the percentage of guest results logged against the 5-point scale for each question, ranging from strongly disagree right through to strongly agree. By hovering over the chart, it will give you confirmation of the total number of guests that rated you within each sentiment. Please note that in Guest Voice, you only had access to a top box score. However, in Reputation.com, we provide all scores from strongly disagree right through to strongly agree. We want you to be focusing on the top box strongly agree score, which you will find in the dark green section of the chart. So where do I find my food quality score? In the example on screen, you can see it here within question 11, fourth question down. I was satisfied with the food quality. By hovering over the dark green top box strongly agree sentiment, we can see the result is 61% based on 220 guests rating strongly agree for this question. Scrolling down through the summary, you can see all the results for all the most important survey questions. You will see the results for the likes and dislikes. And scrolling down further, you will also we capture your all-important employee wows. We provide confirmation on the total volume as well as percentage of guests that selected yes to a team member going above and beyond to make their visit extra special. You can then delve further into the comments to find out the name or description of the employee along with the comments on what they did to make that guest visit extra special. You have the ability to review the exact survey response by clicking to view respondents' answers to the right-hand side. This then gives you the ability to view the employee name, description and comment in one central location. Scrolling back up the page and moving across now to the Details tab, The Details tab gives you the ability to toggle through each of the survey completions. Again, you can use your top-line filters to review this data based on specific location if you have access to more than one location, to include or exclude Innkeeper's Lodge results, and also you've got the ability to change the date range. For each individual survey completion, by using the ellipsis to the right-hand side, you've got the ability to forward a particular completion to somebody within your team. You have the ability to flag a particular survey completion as red, or it may be that you want to flag a particular survey completion, as you may want to reference back to it at a future date. At a higher level, you've got the ability to download this data to PDF, download all the survey completion data based on the date range selected in the top-line filters to CSV. You could schedule to send this data to yourself or a team member on a regular basis, or you could simply, on an ad hoc basis, forward this detail to somebody within your team. So this gives a good overview of your individual location or district results, but sometimes you may want to compare. So we have created some additional reporting. To access this additional reporting, please select Reports in the top-line headers. This will then take you through to the report-specific module. To review the custom-built survey results, please select Save Reports at the bottom of the page. You'll see here at Location Level User Access, you have a saved report called Location Level Survey Results. If you are a corporate user, this will be titled Corporate Level Survey Results. Click through into this and it will show you your pre-built survey results report. Okay, so working through the report, the first chart we have here is your location-specific NPS chart. If you have access to just one location, this will show your location's NPS score based on the financial year to date. If, however, you do have access to more than one location, it will show you your NPS score for all locations. You've got the ability to change this, again, using your top-line filters. Moving down, we've got the district NPS chart. This chart compares your location NPS to the peer locations within your district. Moving down again, we've got the area NPS, which compares your location NPS to the peer locations in your area. Next, we've got the top box scorecard. This shows the top box scores for the key top box questions within the survey, and tracks your results over time from financial current month, financial previous month, and financial current year. Moving down further, next we've got the league table. So at location level, user level, these results show the peer locations in your district across 6 key metrics. So total number of surveys, your NPS score, and the 4 key survey questions, which are good value for money, satisfied with the service provided, satisfied with food quality, and satisfied with the drinks quality. The Reports module provides you with lots of different functionality, as well as the ability to create your own custom reports. As an example today, I would like to walk you through how to create a leaderboard report from the survey results. In order to do this, we need to select Surveys 3.0. Select Surveys 3.0 from the report lists available. You will note that this says no data, and this is purely because we need to configure the report to pull in the guest survey results. To do this, we need to select Customize. And we'll get the customized filter selections available on the left-hand side. First option is Survey, and what we need to do here is select the guest survey report data. We want to group by location. Metric type, we'd like to see top box scores only. And then we go into topics where we've got the ability to select any of the key important survey questions. For the purpose of today, I'm going to select the inside was clean and well maintained. I'm going to group by total number of surveys, sorting descending order, and I want to show the peer locations within my district. So I'm going to select peer attribute of RBM to show all the locations within the RBM in my district. And I'd like to show the previous time period change. Let's select preview. The report will then start to build. Okay, so we can see here, there's a list here of all the peer locations within my district. You can see the results for the inside was clean and well maintained based on the top line filter date range I've got pre-selected here, as well as the financial previous month's results as well. I've then got the ability to save the report. So I'm going to call this clean and well maintained report. Click save. And you can then see that this report is added to my saved reports. So remember that Reputation.com is a constantly changing platform with lots and lots of new functionality being added all the time. We are working on employee-wide reporting, new likes and improvement reports, putting survey results in the app, and a completely new dashboard so you can see top-line scores and trends more easily. If you have any questions, please go via your IT help desk and they will channel your query to the appropriate person in M&B. Thank you.